In this video, we will be making a scrunchie. For more information, visit our website for an informational PDF, including how to make different scrunchie sizes. For this project, you will need these materials and tools. Step 1. Cut the fabric. Cut the elastic. Step 2. Fold the width in half, right sides together, and pin to create a tube shape. Step 3. Fold one end of the tube back. Step 4. Straight stitch down the length of the fabric. Cut off excess seam allowance. Step 5. Turn the tube right side out. Step 6. Press the seam with your iron. Step 7. Safety pin the end of a piece of elastic. Feed the elastic through the tube until both sides of the elastic are sticking out of each end. The safety pin will make it easier to feed the elastic through the tube. Step 8. Tie the elastic ends together with a knot and move the knot to the side. Step 9. Put the raw edge of the tube inside the folded edge of the tube, creating an overlap. Step 10. Stitch down the joint. Congratulations, the scrunchie is now complete. Share pictures of your finished project and tag us at Fabricland Canada. Thanks for watching.